No wonder. One second. No wonder Accusations ji wepụta webe yawa Maryam Justice. Jena page Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Alisha travel. Ewepụtago the whole video Accusations mere. O tinyechara picture Maryam Justice. Ịma ya? I don't go no something. Some people think we are joking. That is why some people now say Nana Basaga. I started laughing. And I said, they are supposed to encourage Callistus and they give him more morale. And they go the accolade. But rather, ndị anwasị na ha na-achọ peace. Ndị anwasị na ha na-achọ justice. Ndị anwasị na ha achọrọ ịtụ Ogechi nga. Na ha chọrọ ịgbatara Ogechi ọsọ enyemaka. Are not helping Callistus. I expected Geraldine ka ọ pụta ebe ọ bụ na ọ magoro ndị ji Ogechi na njọ. Nyawa na-akọwa ịma na chief pilot. Ọ sị na ọla mma. Ọ bụrụ na Geraldine furu Ogechi n'anya, kedu o kwesịrị ime? Ọkwa ọpụta life yawa ọla mma. Yes, because nke ọ na-eme nwara n'iru gwa mpete n'azụ egosigo ụnụ danara nwaanyị a chọrọ ka Ogechi jee nga. Now Callistus apụta bịa yọọ biko. Instead Geraldine ya eme ya acknowledge she akwuo the program. We make the same thing. Ka ọ dịrị Ogechi na mma. Kedu Geraldine me? Geraldine now rushed and log on Facebook and allowed their so cowards to be insulting Maryam Justice. Now, all your to Abuja. On that one, I'm going to go to comment you. Did you see Geraldine yesterday? Okay, somebody borrow Maryam Justice on to Abuja na platform. Yeah? Did you see Geraldine condemning it or telling the person, do not call this woman this name? If you call this woman this name, I will block you. Did you hear it from Geraldine? The answer is no. But on the story with Ogechi Justice. On the said actually Ogechi. On the said actually Ogechi Jungle Justice. What happened? What is it the woman? Now your page. They provoke the woman. Now your page. Instead of you to condemn it. You acknowledge it. Now I'm weary. I told you people. Na Geraldine ebere ya bụ ka Ogechi jenga. And ọ na-akpọ Ugochukwu pụtakwuo na this matter. Ka nwa mmadụ nwekwuo problem. Now, Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Isi na ahadre gị na government lodge. Nobody will touch you. Nobody will find you. Yes. Nobody wants to find you. Nobody wants to touch you. We want you to stay here for 1 year. That is why we are not bothering to find you. And don't know when I forget Danya. I could say hide, they hide. When you forget Danya, was him again. Oje or Borogu. General Police Headquarters. You go and settle your issue there. But telling me that I'm not hide again under his or her custody. They were gonna be. They were gonna they were in a hotel, yeah. If you learn on American the person but the worst name you have. Advice. Go to the police station and settle with them. Now, if you want to get Kedonia nurse in America, Ghana, Nigeria now. Kede nurse, when you say no nurse, none in Nigeria as I'm talking to you now. You are no go no get you one. No get you one. Kedu onye bụ nurse canon in Nigeria na sina neighbor a nurse while you are here in Nigeria. How possible it is? And they are not bothered. You are no proof for home no get you no nyabu nkanke fulefu no na America agora ahia. If you don't hang already self no na Nigeria because problem nya carry go ndi America go zuzuru na Nigeria. So Ogechi, you hiding in a government official house or whatever. You have where but I agwa ngene ya na eba we Easter. Agwa agodoro ngena mmụọ godogo na ofom bege na nzu bege na edo bege everywhere say ndị mbo na ndị egede megene confirm ono no Ogechi ka o soro anyị no here we gba Easter. Confirm ono na Ogechi ka o nọrọ here me Valentine ka ikpu ya ahụ na ahụ ọkụ because ikpu ya ka o je eme settlement now guys ara na Ogechi jaja. Onyara chokwe nkwa gbaferu onyara chokwe nkwa gbaferu ndị sịrị ya batawa ha ncha ni na America enwere any of them kana na Nigeria na. Do you see the evidence of ihe nnekwu? All of them that is telling her ride on ha ncha ni na America. Kedu ofu mkpụrụ onye na Nigeria? Fortunate ana na America, Prince ana na America, wago ata ihe ana na America. Kedu onye ọzọ? Only her, a fulefu. What bufon? But I'm going to see the only thing he me he wear the guinea, he wear the safe for guinea. He a Sandy police. Without you, is Sandy police. You are not doing yourself a favor. You are not doing a favor to your own self. And they say again, Nata. Yes, now. Onya wa hide yage na Aba. One day night, sorry, jemebe distributor. Jeburu mayana supply. Ihe bi ho choki na emeria. Onye nke ọzọ kwanu hide yage na Abakaliki. Ona emere gi ihe ọma. Ọrụ what of ọrụ nurse go na ọda arụzi ọrụ. Onye nke ọzọ hide kwa na gị na Nnewi. Ọ na hide gị na Nnewi. O wee jewe na chewe America ka o debewe ihe motie. Ka o wee nwetawe ego na 2025. Then ọ dumpuzie gị na Nigeria. Guys, were ikpu gị na-eme ihe egwuregwu. Ogechi agwa ngesi gị ikpu gị ya ahụ gị. Eke hit gwara gị na ọ bụrụ na ịma ọzọ ihe na-ara nke bịa na ọ ya agwọrọ gị ọgwụ ikpu ya da ahụ gị ọkụ ikpu ya da afọ gị ụfụ every day because ọ karịgo gị arụ. Look at Alicia Travel now. Alicia Travel have removed Kalisu's videos na page here because again, Ogechi Maryam Justice. Many of them, but Kalisu's na had disappointed. Na video made yesterday. Kalisu's can testify this na now. Kalisu's can testify. Alicia Travel went to the page Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Delete your video Kalisu's in able to make Maryam Justice. My boss say your body would delete Chahancha. Now they have dumped Kalisu's now like a piece of shit. That is why Kalisu's went yesterday. We say okay, never and nudo. Ona kanje yorisim. Okuno retena Kalisu's in Maryam Justice until you no get a peace. Do you guys remember that? Kalisu's said, I can never beg Maryam Justice. I will only beg Maryam Justice. But I no get you megini meudo. Kalisu's, Ogechi na Maryam Justice me good. Kedi ji weje yozie because I na attack the inside. Na agwa gị na ihe na-eme ha like correct. Ihe na yo Maryam Justice ka ihe na-eme nka. Ebuso Kalisu's aya Kalisu's we were putaze yesterday we said na ayo Maryam Justice because I akpụrụ ya na onya ka ya akpụrụ ọbụghị ọnụwa na asị ride on Alicia Travel we pụtakwa n'iru ga Alicia Travel aju Kalisu's we were iwe we begini we bịa yo Maryam Justice we say Alicia Travel to help to you Alicia Travel Ghana page ha we just remove video Kalisu's nile because Kalisu's said yesterday yesterday night ka ha na-ekwu okwu na phone Alicia ngwa na agwa m okwu a wepụtago dị irugu ụwa m irumu wepụtagodo irugu Alicia wese ka ihe na-asị m wepụta irum na ịgwabugo m ihe a before ị na-agwakwa nne again ihe na-agwọ n'ụwa ihe hapụrụ n'ụlọ 2 days ago before Kalisu's abịa ya biko ọyọrọ Kalisu's na Alicia Travel battle it on WhatsApp Kalisu's anaji Nkuwa bonye se love Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Why man weputa irugu bia na emegene na ajo shitere Ogechi Okeke Njaka. But rather in a comment na cause problem na cause ogbahara n'isi Ogechi Okeke Njaka. That was problem between Kalisus and Alicia Travel. One nya mere Kalisus ji wepụta yesterday where your Maryam Justice. Where's Alicia Travel ya jeze ko jese Ogechi Okeke Njaka. This is exactly what happened. There is fire on the mountain. Now, Geraldine ejego megene amahama oya bona Kalisus agwakwu ye okwu nke amahama osoko delete ye video so Kalisus niile. Enwero nke share bika nwa Kalisus yoro yesterday. Merit Ikechukwu amaka na elegi. Okwa ndị asị na ha na-achọ peace. Okwa ndị asị na ha na-achọ udo. Now, jukere Kalisus Alicia Travel Geraldine una apatago we were page unu we say okay Ogechi odighi etu a jee na police station go and answer police. Aye ebuge aye dewege. You don't have this preaching no. The answer is no. They keep on deceiving Ogechi Okeke Njaka. They keep on deceiving Ogechi Okeke Njaka. They keep on deceiving Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Geraldine the chief pilot no na UK. Okay say they chọrọ udo na sị ka udo chia. Kalisus after yesterday where your Maryam Justice. Why can't you share the testimony? Why can't you share the program to motivate peoples? The same. Geraldine, what is holding you from begging Maryam Justice on behalf of Ogechi Okeke Njaka? But you are putting fire, calling them to come to your page and started calling the same woman yesterday or to Abuja. Are you doing Ogechi favor? In a Ogechi homework, in a Hojo. How can you allow people to come to your page yesterday and they started calling the woman out to Abuja? You see your life. This is the only thing I'm going to say. Now, the only thing you are the only thing you are is short on your page down. Megan because each other go get Jenga and they will know na kuri Ogechi Kekwe. Nne Geraldine afọ organize. Thank God no Ogechi receive your sense. But in Nigeria without telling you, Geraldine. That is why Ogechi trust we're making we're not in Nigeria without telling you. On Ogwara Alicia Travel, Ogwara Fortunate, Ogwara Wagwa Taiha. These three people knows that Ogechi is coming to Nigeria. Then from there, when I try to go my way here after you, that onions. Abakos when you were was a karaoke date, was a karaoke everything. That was when a karaoke ne broadcast time Ogechi Janata Nigeria. Go and watch previous video under my video. A karaoke kurumbo Ogechi Janata Nigeria. No Ogechi Janata Nigeria so date on December and it happened. Ogechi pata deceive it. Niama Alicia after dark a popa karaoke see that na wanya anata ya hapuka ihe niile oni kuno na anata na Nigeria mekwede to yeju anata mekwe boy anata na ya bia na nke wa akwata ya. This is how we got information. Now you can afford after that gone after Jekuku. The answer is because Ogechi akoporo na ya koporo Kalisus ha na emezi kpuru. Now watch after that. Now the next thing after that here man why ya bia praise we Maryam Justice. Then place Maryam Justice. Yeah, fight ya Nkechi Benko. Go Nkechi Benko no because of now ko ji we kparia Maryam Justice kparia mmofili. Ko megene ko nwete sympathy we je yokwa aha yo ha ego again because Kalisus now abugoro efulefu ni Rundia. After Ipu adigo useless. Ide water now ama ha ebe okwu because if there what na ewu anwakwa iru udo kpụrụ ya na-eje ebe ọ na-adịghị mma kpụrụ ya na-eje ọ marazi ebe ọ nọ marazi ihe. So what am I trying to tell you people? Actually, I would run a proper video, proper program this evening. Can you Geraldine Hafa echegozie onye anwa as IG of police. Then Geraldine etie the IG. I hope on ya batana Nigeria be congratulate you then call release here go Ogechi. Can happen go Ogechi because you cannot be in America in UK now cause may harm in Nigeria. And on a UK send the police recharge card during in Kechi fight. He send the police on Nigeria go recharge card. Tiere card 5,000 naira, putana for public, biagwai. The same thing I hear in all man on America, where now cause problem in Nigeria. Take a money is when on America. Now control the police in Nigeria. The same you on a UK. Now control Nigeria police. Now recharge their card. They say German when them mother arrest. The same you on a UK. When I send they go to Nigeria account to see German them mother arrest. Is you know what happened? A full life. Imbecile. I take overdose. He had a problem sable. End it all. End it all. End it all. Why me end the higher all? Why? Why me end the royal all? Chile can bagok. Why? Almost a gang overdose. How can a woman? The morning I him a good ubu. You can see jenga. From go patasin actually committee. Suicide. Just take overdose. On our piaganisi, end it all. Why don't you end it all? Why don't you end it all? Why don't you end it all? Where's a Paisianam? Where for the no can Mamma, where was the young mamma? Where now was out of UK? Ara Jolonjo. Madam, end it all. You must end it this time. See, Cabron can end it all. Chideke a bag or kuna come this time around. If we go Agama Bohegike, will say bag no tele. The wife London. This is not end it all. End it. You must end it this time around. I must deal with you. You think I'm joking? Mechag this time around, eh? Messiag this time around. Mark a man for Zotorag. Mark a one and ample. A man for Zotorag. Mary Tiffy Dalo. Actually, just wasting now. Which I see. Then I will get myself prepared. Lieziboni Hiora, eh? Just reactivate my energy. We be again. You must end it this time around. You must end it all. End it all. What I'm hearing now, end it all. End it all. End it all. Lies upon lies. Fallacy upon fallacy. Every day done on our twice. You will ask where you rule. Whereas we're marrying here, that is in Rebama. Ada knows Pastor Jerry is life. Other Ponano Kukwe. Saga many or more Pastor Jerry. Itam deactivate now. You have here the menabo. People, just Pastor Jerry, just very, just only enough. It can activate now. In Ada no now. Let's go and join Pastor Jerry because one about more so. Ochonga can nazo ya poto. Mdeha no rote Pastor Jerry. No, I Jeff Chineke in the morning. Geraldine, get ready for Pastor Jerry now. Get ready for fire. Because I'm coming with an anointing of thunder. I am coming with an anointing of destruction. I'll make sure that I destroy you this time around. I make sure that I fulfill my promise. Make it this time around. Nobody will recognize your face again. I will dry this your squeeze face. You see, if you look at the Gabalabala diet, Geraldine, if you look at the bread, I will defroze it. And Wafia, it's an England in Nigeria, it's an Nigeria, France, it's an Nigeria, Germany. Oh, my car, it's an Iposara in Nigeria, Ada for Hanya. Since 9 years ago, Maziano Wabo, a motherless children. For 9 good years. Nigeria. Lies upon lies. Peace. I be blessing. I want no get you peace. Blessing one Geraldine. Yako nature case. And one moment. Kediki is where a mother. Happen was in Nigeria since 9 years to 10 years. Higher to Tezuko neighbor. Moke nay happen for 9 years. Where can that thing happen? Jardin can get uchi se potanam with a man no get back. I don't activate you back. Message this time around. Eh? Aji ugi anacha her brown and a white and the pink camera battery. Idiot. I curse you today. Useless idiot. I'm coming back. See you guys later. me activate na you guys you know Geraldine aga ma bocha ga bo me bo ma Chineke murugo. Think I'm joking with you. Mecha this time around. All this time now I can make close your chapter. Pocha again for 6 months actually again. If you obone pie hokamore battery you must spy. Nge make the game na be life every minute, every seconds, every minute, every seconds, every minute because on me hand activate you tell Pastor Jerry. Yeah. People, let's join Pastor Jerry. You must join Pastor Jerry this time around. Ma gwogu ka bacha. Stephen Mark Dalomaka Mary. I will reactivate in the evening. Geraldine, you are the chapter now. Oh no, in Canada, there water. A cheap gomo queer. There was a hand as an resort to walk on clear now because since it's a plan on our walk. So my plan I can execute now. Oguchana, a set to go plan. Say here the bullet, no call or Piazia Ba. With the Lamaronia water. Let me reactivate on Geraldine. On London. I'm coming this evening. I will deal with you.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching.